Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and book flights on MakeMyTrip? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for MakeMyTrip. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link that pops up and make sure that you are logged into your personal account. And finally, just click on this flights option right over here where you want to simply go ahead and select your flight. So simply choose either it's a one-way flight, round trip, or multi-city, and from and to. So for example, if I'm headed here, and just select your destination and when you're headed to there. So let me just go ahead and select that departure date, and I can also go ahead and select how many travelers are going. Simply go ahead and click on search, and as you can see, it's going to list a bunch of flights and airways that is going to go ahead and show up, and you can simply go ahead and click on book now, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your payment options and just finalize. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.